Strawberry ice cream, a sunless day. You melt away through the cracks in my fingers. I know that sunburn goes away. The broken words I last heard still linger. Maybe by Monday I'll be okay. Any day's better than February. Sometimes I wonder how life would be. Any day's better than February.
Welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day in New York City. I'm Lauren Z. Ray, a vegan traveler who travels to a new city every month, and this month is New York City. So before dinner, we wanted to stop by the American Museum of Natural History, and if you are in New York City, this is a must.
Strawberry ice cream, a sunless day. You melt away through the cracks in my fingers. I know that sunburn goes away.
So for dinner, we decided to stop at Peacefood Cafe on the Upper West Side near the museum, and I'm really excited because the whole menu is plant-based and everything looks delicious. For the appetizer, we got the chickpea fries. Not too spicy, just right. I ordered the un-Caesar salad, which comes with tempeh, onion, tomato, croutons, and a vegan Caesar dressing. It looks so good. I miss Caesar salad, so I hope this satisfies. It does. The tempeh tastes like bacon, which is amazing, and the dressing is really, really good. Now it's time to try Lukas's, and he got the unchicken penne parmesan. Oh, snap. Oh, that looks good. Tastes like chicken. And it's really cheesy. I like this one too. This place has a very long list of desserts, and they're all vegan, and one of the things we had to just get is the peanut butter cheesecake. I don't make cheesecake. Also, we're in New York, and New York cheesecake makes sense, right? Oh my gosh, Lukas got this bite for me. It's gigantic. Really good cheesecake. Subtle flavor of peanut butter, chocolate crust, all together. Really good dessert. I love the chocolate chips on top. Adds to the crunchiness. I'm in. And that is it for What I Eat in a Day in New York. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And also I'll leave all links to recipes, my ebook, my blog for free recipes below. And don't forget to subscribe because I'm going to be doing more vegan travel videos, what I eat in a day, etc. Should be a good time. And I will see you next video. Goodbye.